Ever heard of Gemini, Google's latest and greatest AI? You know, the one that's supposed to revolutionize how we interact with technology. But why can't you seem to get it on your phone? You're not alone. Frustration is mounting as many users are left wondering why this cutting-edge AI remains elusive on their mobile devices. Gemini is a powerful AI model developed by Google, boasting impressive capabilities like unmatched language understanding. Gemini excels at comprehending and generating human language, making it perfect for tasks like writing, translating, and summarizing. Advanced reasoning and problem solving. It can tackle complex challenges, from coding and debugging to data analysis and scientific research. Multimodal capabilities. Gemini can interact with and understand various forms of information, including text, images, and even code. These capabilities have generated immense excitement, with many anticipating seamless integration into their daily lives, particularly on their smartphones. However, the reality is that widespread mobile availability is still a work in progress. Why the delay? Several factors contribute to Gemini's limited mobile presence. Computational demands. Gemini is a resource-intensive model. Running such a sophisticated AI on a mobile device requires significant processing power and memory. While smartphones are constantly improving, they may not yet have the necessary hardware to handle Gemini's demands efficiently. Optimization challenges. Adapting Gemini to run smoothly and efficiently on the constrained resources of a mobile device presents a significant engineering challenge. Google needs to optimize the model's size and computational requirements while maintaining its impressive performance. Power consumption. Running advanced AI models can consume a significant amount of battery power. Optimizing for power efficiency is crucial for a seamless mobile experience. User experience. Google needs to ensure a smooth and intuitive user experience on mobile devices. This involves carefully designing the interface and ensuring that the AI's capabilities are easily accessible and understandable. Current progress and future outlook. While Gemini may not be readily available on your phone yet, Google is actively working to bridge this gap. Light versions. Google is likely developing lighter versions of Gemini specifically for mobile devices. These models will offer a subset of Gemini's capabilities while requiring fewer resources. Hardware partnerships. Collaborations with smartphone manufacturers could lead to devices with specialized hardware designed to accelerate AI processing, making it easier to run demanding models like Gemini. Cloud-based solutions. Cloud-based AI solutions allow users to access the power of Gemini remotely. This approach can offload the heavy processing to Google's servers, reducing the burden on the user's device. What can you do in the meantime? While you wait for Gemini to arrive on your phone, explore Gemini in other ways. You can access Gemini through Google's AI-powered search, Bard, and other online platforms. Stay informed. Keep an eye on Google's official announcements and news channels for updates on Gemini's mobile availability. Provide feedback. Let Google know about your interest in using Gemini on your phone. Your feedback can help guide their development efforts. The future of mobile AI. The wait for Gemini on mobile devices highlights the rapid evolution of AI technology. As hardware and software continue to advance, we can expect increasingly sophisticated AI experiences on our smartphones. Imagine a future where your phone can truly understand and respond to your needs in a more human-like way, acting as your intelligent personal assistant. From personalized recommendations to real-time language translation and instant expert advice, the possibilities are truly exciting. While the wait for Gemini on your phone may be frustrating, it's important to remember that this is a cutting-edge technology. Google is working hard to overcome the challenges and bring the power of Gemini to your fingertips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.